All right, here we go. Top 2, 8-1.
Somebody hit the ball. Smells like the devil's lettuce.
I definitely brought 8. I thought he got it. He said he got it.
Oh, good. I don't know.
There you go. Hey! 2-1.
That's all right, that's all right.
Foul! Out of play! 2-2, got to be fair.
That pitch was disgusting.
Oh, that thing came back into him. Dang it. That went in there.
Wait, throw it out again.
Hey, nice play, kid.
Oh yeah, I heard you say so.
I used to love it.
Hey,
D-Rag,
that's
2.
the pitch today. Let's go.
No, 2-2. 2-2, gotta be fair.
That is the pitch today. Yeah, that's match play.
Catches on that screen, right? Oh, yep. Where you going, Blake? 2 down. We got 2. Come on, Blake. Give us some credit.
Oh, Earn.
Stretch them legs. First thing ever to have. I had camera and I had surgery twice on my body. Or no, one on my side. In 6 months.
I was ready to die.
Play.
Good ball.
Oh, that's fair. Yes, it is. Right on the line.
Drop.
Runner on 2. You got it.
Last game, definitely foul. Hey, Dio,
Oh, you ain't remember too. Luke like when he knew it foul, but the other thing that his own team was Eric. Joe's saying one game they was wrong. They hit the D-Rag! 2 right on that corner. 1-2, gotta be fair. Here we go. Play.
Dio, you're in here. See me, Dio. Just picked it up. You're good. You're up. Boom.
Hey, who's at the bottom of the lineup?
We got 2 down.
Jake's up, we're at the top now. Jake.
Top. 2 down. We got 2. Here we go. 2 down.
This is top.
Yep.
We got the 2 shiesties at the top.
Jake, Zach, Josh, Greg.
D-Rag! 2 right on that corner. That's the limit on the height.
That's the
limit. I
ceiling?
got you.
That was 13 feet,
No,
right?
sir.
That was the roof.
That wasn't a hat.
It definitely wasn't that high. 3, that's 3. Hey, you got 4. Did you get 3 or 4? 3 or 4?
so high.
How many did you get there? 2, I'm sorry. So you got 3 total. Hey, it's 8-3, bottom 2. Here we go. 8-3, I got the back end. I'm not going to go. He's not playing. I don't know how that got. He's not playing. I was playing. Oh, you don't play? Top. Even if the guy down here, he's down here and can't play, if he can play, he can got Because you use all that. Here we go. Little part hangs, so it's like a better grip. Here we go. Right. 2-1 inside. We got inside. 2-1. What? 3-1. Oh, heavy. All heavy. They have it for golf too. Here we go. Nope, just missed.
Nice.
Thank you. Oh. Like, you gotta look it up when you get a chance. 9 shots.
That's still where it is going to stop surgery. I have like a brace on my wrist.
Yeah. 2-1 short. Yeah, they wanted me to go to therapy tomorrow. So what? This fucking ball? What do they have to do here? Foul! Foul!
Just a little.
Here we go. Thank you. That's your last warning. Just kidding. Just kidding. You're gone. Just kidding. You're gone. Full count. Full count. Here we go.
Oh, good ball.
Hey, string it together. Base hits. Let's go.
Hey, keep hitting hard.
Jared, do a job.
Very good. I was seeing if you were right. I always do that. I try to twist them. Yeah.
I got to figure out
Oh, shit. Here we go, play. Short. And flat. Flower mistake now. 2-1. One hole at a time, Connor. The ball right there. That's all I did. I'm sorry.
Jared, do a job. Single, double. Let's go.
That's why I came out in front of the bat. That motherfucker was hit. But it was right there. Hit the ball. Hit there out there. It was crazy. They ran there, had to get the ball. All right, here we go. We good? Play. Ball. There you go. Down, down. Still. You got down. 0. You got 0. I forgot you were going to be here. I was going to bring you I should have brought the new shirt on to show you. Yeah, you're like...
Yeah, exactly. That's one thing I love about Dallas. If she sees somebody, she turns right around.
On the back! Out! One down. Just one.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. One down. Here we go. We already got one. One. Tag. One tag. One down. Here we go. Yep. Play. One down. Here we go. No, inside. 2-1. One down. 2-1. Nope. Oh, you got 2 of them, huh? Yeah. 2. Time. I see you, Catch. Trying to get in the game down there, huh? I had to interview
Dally girl.
One down.
Easy, easy.
One down. One down. Yep. One down. One. Here we go. Just missed the corner. 2-1. Right next to it. Run it,
boy.
Save! Hey, you got one. You got one. You got one. Blake, just hit him like that. See that dribbler?
Hey, make sure you guys put a high exit velocity on that.
Yes, sir. Open field, all you can get.
It's actually the coolest color.
One down.
No. Wawa ice cream. I found
Yeah,
the flower cake. Staying off them flower canes. I get worried about me. I'm matured. I got it more.
One down. One down. Here we go. Blake said you want to make it.
You never. I mean, it's a thing. You do some crazy shit when I think that's like. Oh. No, you
He usually catches. He usually snaps off. Yeah. Still hurt. One down.
Yeah, no, I remember. It's expensive.
D-Ray! Two, drop right behind it. 1-2, gotta be fair. Oh, tag is good.
Ball's coming!
Time! We got time. We got two down. Two down. Two. Two one.
You're gonna get into trouble, Colin. It's like it's left.
Yeah.
As long as you don't get the phone call, be like,
or this.
We got two.
you know what that call?
Hey! Once you win, you move up. You got it, time. They had a double review. You guys got enough time?
Well, I can see my reader now, so guess what?
Nope, 2-1 inside.
What the hell is Stone?
2-1.
Hey, Stone!
These guys
A little softball slump.
Let's play! Here we go! Hustling it out! Hey, how many y'all get? 18-3, top three. Is that what you got? 18-3, top three. That's it,
unless you're like, we're like some of us, and we play like all the 8 games Saturday, and then Sunday and Sunday.
I've done that, but when you get into the dog days of summer, you don't want to do that.
They're like no scene. You're out there, you catch the fuck. Right. Yeah. We're gonna do our best. That's right.
Hey, see, look. I think we still got it's still bothering me.
Time.
You won. D-line, two, full count. That would be fair. 5-1.
Rosita! Yay!
Up! I want to go on driving though, like my buddy might have done it too. Inside. And how to put
Stop! You're doing too much.
I said, you can't do that. I mean, yeah. Oh, that's right. Play him, Josh. They're playing that Play.
There it is.
I told him, I said, look, if he's going there and we go on stage, he's going in the food.
Come on there, Josh.
Yeah, Jacob said something. Must be worth 0. And cap.
3-1. The ball. The guy wanted you to sign up. Here's what he wants. Whatever he gave you, he wants 3 times back. So if he gave you $1,200, right? He wanted fucking $3,600 back. I'm like, how you do? You got it. I said, how you do that? Man? Even during the week, they just tell him it's hard to ball. Bring your family for dinner. Steve Wright! I don't even go to the bar. 1-2, right there. Right on the limit. On the light. It's like no, 2-2. 2-2. But I don't know what they do now. They better call it. Yep, we got it.
You gotta have the ball in the glove, Ray.
Ball has to be in the glove.
Sorry, you're right. Yep.
What am I trying to tag? It doesn't matter. Not a tag.
Got him. Got him.
Just making sure you pay attention.
Got him.
Miller knows the rules. No, I didn't see it. I forgot. Sit down. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go, Sue.
Go ahead. Still playing with Frank and them?
Keep carrying. He just missed it. That's great. Good hit though, Chris. All right, fellas. How old is your pitcher?
We need an outfielder, dude.
That was a good catch.
He's come back.
Traitor. Now you're a traitor. You were chilling. Don't you know?
What is it? Hey, yesterday Luke said the guy tagged him and one down, and he had the ball in his hand. I think they didn't have it together. But
You got them together.
Glad I brought it on.
Here we go.
As long as you're making contact with your glove.
All right, here we go. Flat. Okay, so still 18-30. Right? 3-1. It needs 5. 4. Hey, 5 is a winner. 20 again for 3, just so you know.
It was right in the sun.
18-3. Here we go. No. Yeah, 5's a winner. Foul! Fuck! Uh-oh, that's getting called for real. Jesus Christ. Oh, shit! I think somebody called.
He drives a like 10-ish Santa Fe.
Hey, I'm going to go 2 for 3 games. Wait.
What? I swear to God. That's what he said. Look.
Oh, good ball.
Run for pitcher. Hey, you need 4. 4's a winner. None down. 4 is a winner. Greg. Greg.
Babe, look a little late now.
Hey, 4's a winner. Tyler. Hey, on deck is the winner. Here we go. Right. Oh, no, sorry. On deck, on deck. On deck, is the winner. Now on deck's the winner. It's not the clutch.
He thought it was coming this way.
That's 3. They need 2. Hey, on deck is the winner. None down. We got on deck is the winner. Here we go.
Dog guy, I already
Hey, y'all are not supposed to be awake yet. Okay?
Hey, everybody better have all their shirts up there.
I thought you had to stand up there for a reason.
Up! Still, the winner's on deck. 3. They got 3 in.
You're always playing that little guys on it. Oh, right on it every time.
It's always safe there.
Get ready! 2 right on that corner. 1-2 down at the third. Ooh, let's do the wicket. Bill Buckner. Time. The winner's at the plate. The winner's at the plate with 1 down. We got 2 left. 2 left. We got 2 bumps left. Winner is here. Play. The winner will be on first. I got the bat. I got the bat. They're coming in. Stay. No,
What you got? Get out of that.
Time. Who wants a runner? Hey, the winner's on 1. 1 down.
You gonna be our next
The
softball
winner's
player?
on 1 with 1 down. I should just pitch that over that one. I can do that.
the best player you guys have ever
Two, 1 short. 1 down. Winner's on first. The winner's
Now I can't hit a sack fly.
Hey,
One down.
hey, the winner's on 2, 1 down. 1 down, play. Good ball. Hey, game winner. That's it. Bring it out, my job. Good game. 20-3, right?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, 18, 19, 23-3 a minute.